Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start a new topic. The name of the topic is guarantee of minimum share of profit. Now what does it mean? Very simple. Someone is giving guarantee. Okay. And who is giving guarantee? Let us check it. Sometime when a new partner is admitted, then the old partners can give the new partner guarantee for a minimum share of profit. For example, Tom and Jerry were partners in a firm. They wanted to admit Spike in their firm. Spike got a guarantee that his share of profit will never be less than rupees 50,000. So this is the example. Now you may ask one question, that who will give the guarantee? And there may be two probabilities. What are those two probabilities? Either that all the old partners will give that guarantee, and that will be in a certain ratio. What is that? We'll discuss later on. Or any one of those partners will give the guarantee. For example, in this example, if you will consider this example, then either Tom can give the guarantee, or Jerry can give the guarantee, or they both together can give the guarantee. So this is the meaning of guarantee of profit. Now in this regard, we have to keep one thing in mind. When the guaranteed partner's share of profit is more than the guaranteed amount, his actual share of profit is given to him instead of the guaranteed amount of profit. What does it mean? If just take that example, if in the above example Spike's original share of profit is 60,000, then he should get 60,000 and not 50,000. That means he got that share of 60,000, his share of profit 60,000, but as we have seen that his share of the guarantee of his share was 50,000, but as his original share of profit is 60,000 in this case, therefore he will get 60,000 and not 50,000. Now in this regard, you have to keep in mind this topic is nothing new. You have already learnt about everything you know about these things. Here we have to just make that profit and loss appropriation account. Only the sharing of the profit, that sharing of the divisible profit among the partners, that calculation we have to learn properly. So let us try to solve one question, and let us see that how those different questions are. Here the question what I have taken, this question, this is from NCERT book, question number 27. Okay. In this, what is the question? Let us read it first. Amit, Sumit and Samiksha are in partnership sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. Samiksha's share in profit has been guaranteed by Amit and Sumit to be a minimum sum of rupees 8,000. Profits for the year ended 31st March 2017 was rupees 36,000. Divide profit among the partners. So now let us see how to solve this question. First thing first, you write that profit what it is given in the profit and loss appropriation account. So by net profit, or simple you can write profit and loss account. And how much is the amount? The amount is 36,000. Alright. Now, just to see whenever this, and one more important thing you have to observe here, in this case, just to see that it is not written that here, it is only given that that Amit and Sumit has guaranteed, and nothing extra is given. It means that they will give that profit to Samiksha in their this ratio only 3:2. What does it mean? Let us solve it. You will also understand. Now, first thing first, who has got the guarantee? Samiksha got the guarantee. So let us try to find out Samiksha's share of profit out of this 36,000. And for that, as you know, that we have to find out the share of profit, and for that we have to do the working note. So let us do the working note. Samiksha's share of profit. What is the amount of money? 36,000 into the ratio is 3 is to 2 is to 1. Therefore, we have to write 1 by 6. So let us first calculate the amount of Samiksha's share, that is 36,000 into 1 by 6. So how much it will come? It will come 6,000. So students, just to see, Samiksha got how much? 6,000 is her actual share. But how much she has got the guarantee? 8,000 rupees. So how much she should get? Minimum 8,000. So let us do one thing. Let us give that 8,000 to Samiksha. And how much will be left? How much will be left? So Samiksha will get rupees 8,000, the minimum share. So now what that other two partners will do? What are the other two partners? They are Amit and Sumit. So other two partners, what they will do? They will do simply a thing, that is therefore share of profit of Amit and Sumit. So share of profit of Amit and Sumit will be how much? Simply you just keep in mind that they will just simply divide the remaining profit among them in their profit sharing ratio. What was the profit sharing ratio? As we have seen, that profit sharing ratio was 3 is to 2 is to 1, and out of that Samiksha already got her share. That means just remove, let me write here, let me write that metric here. Profit sharing ratio was how much? 3 is to 2 is to 1. Okay. Now out of this profit sharing ratio 3 is to 2 is to 1, Samiksha has already got her profit. Samiksha already got her profit. So now whose share is left? Only that Amit and Sumit's share is left. And what will be the ratio for Amit and Sumit then? 3 is to 2. Did you get that matter? Very simple it is. Samiksha got her share, therefore we just remove the share of Samiksha. Therefore profit sharing ratio for Amit and Sumit will be 3 is to 2. Therefore, share of profit of Amit and Sumit in the remaining profit, How much is the remaining profit? How much profit we had? We had profit of 36,000. Out of that, how much you have given to Samiksha? 8,000. So how much left for Amit and Sumit? How much profit left for Amit and Sumit? That is 36,000 minus 8,000 is equal to 28,000. And now you divide this 28,000 among Amit and Sumit in the profit sharing ratio. And how should we write there? Therefore, Amit's share rupees 28,000 into how much that share will become? The share of profit will become of this one 3 by 2. This one 3 by, sorry, 3 by 5. What happened? This one will be 3 by 5. Okay, so we got 3 by 5. So 28,000 into 3 by 5, it will become how much? 5. So this will become, if we divide this 28,000 by 5, then we will get 5,600. And if we multiply 5,600 with that amount with 3, then we'll get 16,800. 16,800. Please do the calculation and you will find it. You will get it, I hope. And how much Sumit will get? What will be the Sumit's share? Sumit's share will be rupees 28,000 into 2 by 5. Now Sumit's share should be 2 by 5. By 5. Okay, so how much Sumit will get? Again, if you divide by 28,000 by 5, then how much you will get? 5,600. And if you multiply that 5,600 with 2, then you will get 11,200. Okay, and this is the final share. And this amount we have to write in the profit and loss appropriation account, and this is all. So this we have to write in the profit and loss account. And how should we write? Here are two capital account. Samiksha, sorry, not Samiksha, rather Amit Sumit, and then Samiksha. Okay, and that amount should be Amit. How much Amit got? Amit got 16,800. Sumit got 11,200. So 16,800, 11,200, and Samiksha got 8,000. Samiksha got 8,000. And hence, if we add these three figures, hope we will get 36,000. 36,000. Okay. All right. So now, as we know that, please add this one. Let me do it on your behalf. So add that this line come to okay. So add 36,000 here. Why it happened? So students, here you can see now both sides are same. So I hope you understood this one. And the main thing what you have to keep here in mind, that is, let me show you. So you please do this one, 36,000 here, write 36,000. I don't know why it is not happening. Something is wrong. 36,000 here. Don't forget to draw that line. I'm unable to draw it here. So 36,000 and 36,000. Let me see now if I can do it. Oh, fine. So I got it. Sometimes this technology creates lots of problem, but maximum time it's help us. So let's us enjoy. And now just to see what I have done here in the working note. Let me explain this part once more. I hope it will be clear then to you. First of all, you try calculate the amount of the guaranteed partner's profit share. So Samiksha got the guarantee, and this was the profit. 36,000 was the profit, and the moment we have got that profit, this 36,000 is the profit. So try to find out Samiksha's share, and if you find out Samiksha's share out of this 36,000, 36,000 into 1 by 6, Samiksha's share, it will come 6,000. But Samiksha got the guarantee of how much? 8,000. So let us give the amount to the 8,000 to Samiksha. Now the question is how much that other two partners will get. And there is a problem. Here you have to understand very clearly this profit sharing ratio. What was the profit sharing ratio? It was 3 is to 2 is to 1. So that one part who used to get that one part, that Samiksha, she has already got her share. So once Samiksha got her share, therefore we should not give again to her anything. Therefore we have just removed the Samiksha's share from here, and therefore Amit's and Sumit's share is left. And what is the Amit's and Sumit's shares? It is 3 is to 2. And the remaining profit, that is how much is the remaining profit? Again, never make mistake that one. How much profit they had? 36,000. Out of that they had already given to whom? Samiksha 8,000. So how much left? 28,000. This figure, this 28,000 has to be divided among Amit and Sumit, or the remaining partners, in this ratio, that is 3 is to 2. And when we have divided that figure, we got this, and this is the final answer. So students, just keep it in mind, this guarantee of profit is nothing but the extension of profit and loss account. And here you just see we did nothing, we didn't learn anything new. Only that calculation part you have to be little bit careful, that who has given the guarantee and how they have given the guarantee, and accordingly we have to share the profit of that particular profit. This much only we have to keep in mind, and there is nothing new. So I hope you understood this one. I will learn few more questions how to solve those, and then I will give you homework. So if you have understood, if you have any query, please let me know. Please leave a comment in the comment section. I will meet you again in the next period. Till then, take care of you and your family. These types of question which may come in in this topic, that is that let us see that being in this question, let us solve it with an example, so that it will be more easier to understand. So the question is, Pinky, Dipti and Kaku are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:4:1. Kaku is given a guarantee that his share of profit in any given year would not be less than rupees 5,000. Deficiency, if any, would be borne by Pinky and Dipti equally. Profits for the year amounted rupees 40,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So this is the question. So what is the basic difference between the first question and this question? In the previous question, we have seen that there was no specific proportion in which they will divide the deficiency, that other partners will divide the deficiency. There was no such proportion, but here it is clearly mentioned that the deficiency will be divided among Pinky and Dipti equally. So this is also very simple. If you use your common sense, you can easily solve it. So first thing first, write down that profit and loss account 40,000 in the credit side, and next show profit and loss account profit and loss account 40,000 here, and then write down that same figure here as we know. Now let us go to the working note. Let's see what we can do in the working note. So this one is these types of question is easier. Why easier? Because just to say, when these types of things will be given, that those two partners or other partners will divide that deficiency in a certain proportion. In that case, first thing you do, you divide the total profit among those all people, means among all the partners. So let us see how to do. So over here, Pinky, Dipti and Kaku. So let us write Pinky share of profit. Pinky, how much Pinky will get? Total profit 40,000 into Pinky's share 5/4. So plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 10. 5/10. And how much it will come? 20,000. Next, Dipti. Dipati. Okay. Dipati, how much? Dipati will get rupees 40,000 into now Dipati will get 4 by sorry, this is creating problem. 4/10. Dipati will get 4/10. So 4/10 is equal to how much? It will be rupees 4,416. 16,000. All right. And how much that Kaku, what a name, beautiful name. Kaku will get how much? 40,000. 40,000 into what is Kaku's share? 1 by 10. Same problem. 1 by 10 is equal to how much it will come? 4,000. Okay, so we have got this Pinky 20,000, 16,000 and Dipati 16,000 and Kaku 4,000. This is what they actually get. But how much Kaku should get? Kaku should get 5,000. Now, now you just see this is how easy it is. Kaku's guaranteed amount is how much? Rupees, sorry, Kaku's guaranteed amount is rupees how much? 5,000. Therefore, how much is the deficiency? Deficiency is rupees 5,000 minus 4,000 is equal to how much? Is equal to 1,000. So 1,000 is the deficiency, and who will bear the deficiency? It was written in that question that they will share the deficiency equally. Who will share? Pinky and Dipti. Okay. So if this 1,000 will be shared equally, that means it will come how much? 500 each. So Dipti will share. So Dipati's share how much? 1,000 rupees. 1,000. Okay, Dipati's share in deficiency. Okay, Dipati's shares in the deficiency is rupees 1,000 into how much? Half, is not it? Why half? Because they have told that they will share the deficiency equally. So equally means half. So Dipati shared that share equally, also half. How much it will come? 500. On the same way, Kaku will also share Kaku's share of deficiency. How much? 1,000 into half, because he also shared half. So how much it will come? Same figure, that is 500. Now over this calculation, now what you have to do, just simply from this here, that what they had got, because they have to sacrifice that 500. The Pinky also have to, oh sorry, I have written here wrong. Here it will be Pinky and here it should be Dipati. Deepatis. Okay, so now very simple. You just see that this is this much loss they have to bear. So simply you just deduct that 500 rupees here. Then how much you will get? 19,500, and deduct 500 from Deepati's shares, and how much you will get? 15,500. Okay, so this is the ultimate thing, and what we have to do, you can just show it with that Kaku. We have to add that 1,000, therefore Kaku's share will come 5,000. So this is the final distribution. 5,000, this. So students, you just concentrate here what I did. Let me repeat once more. It is very simple. The moment in the question it will be given that those partners will share the deficit in a certain proportion, then first you do, you divide the profit, what is the profit, among all the partners in their profit sharing ratio. First you do this thing. Then you calculate how much is the deficiency of the guaranteed, the partners who have got the guarantee, how much is the deficiency, and in this case that is 1,000. And then you check that what is the proportion in which the other partners will bear that loss, that deficiency. In this case it was half, 1:1, equally. So now find out the deficiency of those people who will bear it. So in this question, Pinky shares 500 and Deepati share 500. Now deduct that 500 from Pinky's share, deduct this 500 from Deepati's share, and add that 1,000 in the Kaku's share. This is this much simple. So if we'll write here that final figure here, then what we'll get? We'll get 19,500. Then again we will get how much? 15,500, and Kaku will get 5,000. Alright, 19, 20 and 2040. So this is what you have to do. This is the solution. Hope you understood. If you have any doubt, please let me know, but just comment in the comment section. If you have not understood anywhere, if you have any doubt, please let me know. I will try to resolve that problem. Next types of question, it may come this type, that let me see. So this is the next question. Abhay, Siddharth and Kusum are partners in a firm, sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. Kusum is guaranteed a minimum amount of rupees 10,000 as per share in the profits. Any deficiency arising on that account shall be made by Siddharth. Profits for the years ending March 31st, 2016 and 2017 are rupees 30,000 and 60,000 respectively. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Here we will just solve this first one, and second one you will try to solve by yourself. And what is the specialty of this question? Just to see, in this question only one partner is giving that guarantee that he will make up that whatever may be the deficiency, and who is giving that guarantee? Is Siddharth. So let us see how to solve it, and it is also simple. If you have understood this particular calculation, it is similar to this particular calculation and even much more easier. So let us try to solve it and see how to do it. So this is the format, and here the partners are different Amit, Siddharth, and then we have Kusum. Okay, Kusum, you are here. Alright, so now let us try to solve it, and it is even easier. Why? Let me tell it. And what is the profit sharing ratio? It is 5:3:2. Earlier, how much it was? Okay, whatever. So, right here, working note. So, were the partners Amit share of profit? Amit, and before the gear, as you know that you have to do this one first. Uh, so do that one without any hesitation. Write down that figure here. How much is the net profit in this case? Here we are considering the 31st March 2016. Okay, so how much amount of profit on the 31st March 2016? It is 40,000. So first of all, you write down that figure here. Okay, now you distribute that 40,000 among Amit, Siddharth and Kusum. So Amit will get how much? 40,000 rupees, 40,000 into 5 by, what is the profit sharing ratio? It is 5:3:2. Okay, I have to take this one. So write down that one. Amit 40,000 into 5 by 10 is equal to how much? 20,000. Next, who was there? Siddharth. Siddharth, how much? Rupees 40,000 into, now it is 3 by 5:3:2. It is 3 by 10. Then how much it will come? Obviously 12,000. And what about Kusum? Kusum, can you tell your amount? 40,000 into 2 by 10. So this is, and how much Kusum share will be? 8,000. So this is. Now what was the agreement? How much that Kusum's guaranteed a minimum amount of 10,000. So Kusum share should be 10,000, and who will bear the loss? Siddharth will bear the loss. So it is much, now it is more simpler. It is simpler than what we have done in the previous case. So just to write down here, therefore the deficiency is rupees 10,000 minus 8,000 is equal to rupees 2,000. Now who will give this 2000? Siddharth. To whom? Obviously to Kusum. So it is, see how simple it is. You just deduct here 2000. So Siddharth figure will come to 10,000 and you add here 2000 and Kusum's shares will become 10,000. Okay, got it? So final result, how much will be the final result? Amit 20,000, Siddharth 10,000 and Kusum will also get 10,000, and all together we will get 40,000 here, 40,000 here and 40,000 here. Okay, so see, if any one partner will give the guarantee, then it is again much more easier. So that procedure is same. Just distribute the profit among the partners first and check how much is the deficiency. Now deduct that much deficiency from the partner who has given the guarantee and add that figure with the partner who got the guarantee. So that's all from this types of question. I hope you understood. In this question, in this particular solution, by mistake I have left something and intentionally I did it. So please write down in your comment, in the comment box, what thing I have left here. So please do it and find out that, let me see whether how much concentration you have in all this calculation and those other things. So I hope you will understand whatever we have done here, these three types of questions. If you have any doubt, any sort of problem, please let me know, comment me, and let us try to find out. If you have any other problem, we'll meet you again in the next class. Till then, take care of you, enjoy study and enjoy life. For this question, question number 27, question number 28 and question number 29 half, only this 2016 one. So what you have to do, you have to start solving question number 29, that second part, that is 2017. What will happen? Question number 30, question number 30, question number 31, question number 52, all those 1 and 2 both. Question number 32, 1 as well as 2, and then (33), 34 and 35. So please solve it and submit your copy. When to submit, that I will inform you. So please try to solve those, and if you have any doubt, any query, don't forget to write in the comment box. We'll meet you again. Till then, take care.